it's me, Angharad, from Angharads Life. And I really can't believe that in today's video we'll be celebrating 3 years of creating YouTube videos. Can you, ma'am?
I can't believe that it's been 3 years now since you put up your first YouTube video. The time's gone so quickly.
It really has. And thank you so much to everyone for all of your wonderful comments, likes, support, subscribing, watching the videos. It really means a lot to us, doesn't it, ma'am?
It really does. We can't thank everybody enough for following Angharad on her journey over the last 3 years, with all of the amazing comments, the support, the likes, the subscribing. Honestly, thank you so much. It really does mean a lot to us all.
It does. And thank you so much for everyone for being with us through our highs and lows too.
Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
I'm really looking forward to today in this video unboxing these lovely gifts from One Planet Pizza.
Yeah, they contacted you a few weeks ago.
They've been sitting here for a little while.
They have. They contacted you 3 weeks ago with their new sourdough pizza that came out, wanting to send you a voucher and some goodies. A voucher for you to be able to buy one of their pizzas with, for you to be able to try. So when you messaged back, you asked, could you keep it until your 3rd anniversary? And they were more than happy to know that you wanted to share this with your 3rd anniversary video as well.
Because who doesn't want pizza to celebrate?
I think it's really good to have some pizza to celebrate.
Should I open the envelope first, ma'am?
I think that's a great idea. So this is for Asda 1 free pizza. Ooh.
That one, ma'am?
Ooh. One Planet Pizza. I'm gooey, I'm crispy, and I'm all yours. Ooh, and they've written on the back. Shall I read it to you?
Yes, please.
It says, hey Angharad, thank you for being awesome. Here are some coupons for you to enjoy some pepperoni pizzas on us. Enjoy, OPP team. Oh, and it says, slice to meet you.
Oh, that's so lovely. Thank you so much.
Oh my gosh, that is so adorable.
What's it, ma'am?
It's a pin badge
Aww.
as a piece of pizza.
Wow.
The badge is so cute. You'll have to put that on after.
I definitely will. Shall we do the package now, ma'am?
I think that's a great idea. It's been wrapped well.
Yeah. There you go, ma'am.
Thank you. And there's the cellophane. Got some bubble wrap there. And there's just dropped to the side of you.
I think someone else is intrigued, you, ma'am.
I think Sarah's just woken up from her sleep, wondering what's going on. It's a pizza cutter.
Oh, wow.
Oh, and it's got One Planet Pizza on the pizza cutter.
Go on, personal assistant now.
Yeah, you have. I was going to say, I think Sarah's your personal assistant now. Oh my gosh, that is amazing.
Oh my gosh, it feels so lovely.
It's a pizza board. One small step, one giant leap, One Planet Pizza. Amazing things happen when you try. That is absolutely amazing.
It really is. Thank you so much to everyone at One Planet Pizza for sending us all of these wonderful goodies. I can't wait. Should we go to Asda, ma'am?
I think that's an absolutely fantastic idea. I think you've been extremely lucky.
Thank you so much again, One Planet Pizza. I feel so lucky.
Thank you to everyone at One Planet Pizza for everything. It's all truly amazing.
We're here at Asda in Bangor. They have the pizzas. That's great! Here's the voucher! While we were out, we thought we'd get Sarah a little toy too. We've got her a new giraffe. Can't wait now, not long.
I know, really looking forward to it.
While the pizza is cooking, we thought we'd put together a little clip of different parts of Fudge for you all to see. We really hope that you all enjoy this lovely clip. We really enjoyed putting it together, don't we, Mum?
We did. It's lovely to be able to put clips of this to remember Fudge as well. Fudge has always been a big part of your channel right from the beginning, and he always will be.
Of course he will. We always want him to be remembered on the channel too. It's smelling absolutely incredible, isn't it, Mum?
It really is. I can't wait to try this.
Neither can I. Oh, I can't wait. Smells incredible.
That is absolutely fantastic.
Looking forward to enjoying the pizza with some of the M&S dirty fries. Here it is. My gosh, it smells absolutely incredible, doesn't it,
It
Mum?
really does. It's such a lovely smell while everything's cooking.
It's lovely to enjoy it with the dirty fries too.
I just want something different.
That's absolutely delicious. I love the vegan cheese so much with how amazing it's melted. I also do love the vegan pepperoni too. And it's so lovely to have a sourdough pizza, isn't it, Mum?
It really is. I'm really looking forward to having some in a minute.
The base is absolutely incredible. It's so lovely and light. And now time to try the crust. Oh yeah. crust is absolutely incredible too. I love it so much. It's such an incredible pizza. Thank you so much, One Planet Pizza, for sending the voucher to us, along with the extra goodies. It really means a lot.
So go and enjoy it.
Oh my gosh, that pizza was absolutely incredible. And I'm loving the jammy Dodger latte now too, ma'am. Thank you.
You're more than welcome. I mean, that pizza was
Absolutely incredible.
delicious, incredible. Wasn't it, Ian?
Yes.
Thank you so much, everyone.
There might be something else I bought when we went to Asda.
Oh, what's that, ma'am?
Well, I thought, seeing as this is for your 3rd year of YouTube videos, and you had the amazing voucher and all the goodies from One Planet Pizza. It's only Asda that sells
Yes.
One Planet Pizzas. So I thought when we were in Asda getting the pizza earlier on, I thought, what else goes well with a cup of tea?
Biscuits?
Yeah, or...
Cake?
I might have bought an OMV cake. Should we go and open it?
Yes, please, ma'am.
Come on then. OMV chocolate cake.
Ooh.
It's got like chocolate fuzz on the top and some chocolate sprinkle.
Oh, that sounds incredible, ma'am.
It does. Shall I open it and cut us a slice?
Yes, please. And shall I sort out a game for Sarah?
I think that's a great idea.
Here it is. It smells absolutely incredible, doesn't it, ma'am?
Smells really lovely.
That's absolutely delicious. I love it so much. Thank you so much for the extra special treat, ma'am.
You are more than welcome. I thought we haven't had cake for a while, so I thought when I saw it was an OMV one as well, I thought, why not?
If you haven't seen the video from when we tried some of the OMV products, we'll link it up there. It was delicious, wasn't it, ma'am?
All the OMV products we've tried up to now are really good. I just thought to make today even more special, I'd treat you to a cake as well.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're more than welcome. So here's to many more of your amazing YouTube videos.
Many more years to come.
That's it. I'm so proud of all your videos.
Thank you so much, everyone, for all of your support too on our journey.
I think all the support you've had is absolutely fantastic and amazing. All the wonderful friends you've made.
Friends we've met as well.
This is it. And just the support you get from all the wonderful comments means the world to us.
It really does. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press the notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know what your favourite videos have been over the past 3 years.
I think that's a great question. That's what I was going to say as well.
We have really enjoyed today taking you all along with us with what we've done to celebrate. And also, it was so lovely for Sarah to get a lovely gift on a special day too, wasn't it, ma'am?
It really was.
We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye! Take care! And bye from Sarah too!
She's having a little snooze now.
I'm sure she's tired after the game.
I think she is tired after the game. Maybe she's dreaming about her new toy.
Maybe she is. And Sarah's got a question for everyone as well. What's my giraffe's name going to be?
I think that's lovely. It'd be lovely for people to put in the comments ideas of the giraffe's name. It was lovely for Sarah to get a gift today as well
Of course
from
it
us
was.
all.
And we thought it would be so lovely today to treat Sarah to her giraffe, for her to have a lovely gift on this special day too.
That's what we thought when we were out. It'd be lovely for Sarah to have a little gift.
Of course it would.